wanna let me go, nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know, nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind.
Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to be finishing up the dining room. We're going to be focused on getting all the recycling out. We are going to be cleaning it up. We're going to be dusting. There's going to be some really good cleaning motivation coming up in today's video. We have a lot of stuff. You're going to see me basically, I have an IKEA bag there. We have a lot of recycling to go through. I'm going to be clearing all the tables off, the surfaces off, getting everything that's left to go out of this room. All the donations are gone, as I mentioned in the previous video, which is amazing. But I'm going to be sorting through getting all the recycling stuff out to go up to the recycling centre. If you are new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. I'm so glad to have you on my channel. I really hope you will enjoy today's video. And if you've been here before, welcome back to my amazing community. I hope you're all doing well, and I hope that you guys enjoy today's video. And without further ado, let's get started. So pretty much this bit here I'm starting off is I'm kind of throwing, as you can see there, all the rubbish there into one kind of pile. In this pile is like a bit of recycling, there's a few fabric-y bits, there's paper, cardboard, plastic, hangers, there's loads of stuff. So pretty much what I should have done was sort it as I went, but we were kind of in a time crunch for the charity shop, so we have to go quickly. That necklace there also should not be there. I think that probably fell off the table or something, or may have fallen upstairs. It could have been in the attic, could have been up in one of the bedrooms, but anyway, it shouldn't be in there. So the folders and stuff I'm letting go of. I've had them for years. I haven't used them. That paper set, again, I've had for over 10 or 15 years. Never been used. So I'm recycling what I can. Any plastic, paper, anything like that. And then if there's any refuse, that has to go into the refuse and stuff like that. So you can see me there, just that little red bag is for rubbish or garbage if you prefer. And just kind of, as always, I want to minimise the amount of stuff I put in that always. And recycle everything we can. And that there is just the information that came with my weighted blanket. I have a weighted blanket, gravity blanket there. So what I'm doing, actually just tearing off the washing instructions. I didn't think that came up that clearly on the camera, so I just wanted to explain that to you guys. But yeah, pretty much that yellow IKEA bag, if you've ever been to IKEA, you know the size of those bags. That's recycling. And as you can see here, I'm literally splitting the CD cases. I'm going to do the same thing with like the DVD case you can see there, and get out everything recyclable. Discs in Ireland, I don't know about other countries, but in Ireland those discs cannot be recycled. They have to go into the black bin. So I'm literally splitting everything, because in the recycling centre all the plastic, cardboard, everything, paper is separate, whereas in the home recycling you can just throw it all in together and it gets sorted at the, you know, at the far end by the whoever works at the end collecting the bin trucks. And a couple of extra things, like I have the slippers there, and the seams were coming away. You can't really see it in the video, but they're damaged, so they're going to recycling. And every bit of fabric I can find, if it can be recycled, it's going to recycling. Then that towel and you'll see the little Sims plumb bob, they should be in my room. I don't even know how they made it downstairs. Oh, actually no, I tell you a lie, I do. The towel ended up in my car because I was in a hurry one day, so I threw it in the boot of my car, and then I brought a bag in from my car, and then the Sims 4 plumb bob with the cable was in the office, because that's where the game went when I originally got it. I didn't have my own computer. But yeah, so just kind of going through these last few bits. You know, we got loads of bags there, and kind of deciding whether or not I want to keep the bags. Oh yeah, that's from a little Sony Ericsson phone that I had like 15 years ago as well. But yeah, you can just see me going through this thing. All these DVDs here, I brought them to the exchange shop that takes all the games and all that kind of stuff, DVDs. And whatever, and they actually didn't pass inspection, so there was like scratches on them, or they just didn't play or whatever, so I was perfectly happy to let them go. But yeah, you can see kind of here, kind of as we're getting really towards the end, but there's a couple of bits, and you know, it's kind of getting into the little kind of fiddly bits and just getting rid of the last few things. And I just want it out because this has been going on for so long, especially the Big Attic series. You can see there the plumb bob on the tail. I'll just show you guys a bit closer there. Then that fabric bag there just has other fabric bags in it, and I discovered at this point that all the cleaning stuff that had been in my room previously, when I kept my own cleaning stuff in the Calyx, was in this box. So you can see me there just preparing the mop and stuff and taking the black sacks out. And what I actually decided to do is, rather than keeping this separate box, because it isn't going back up to my room, to put the stuff away in storage where it's supposed to be. I already have a home for stuff. That there is the strap for the Fitness Adventure, can't think of the name, Ring Fit Adventure, there we go, on the Nintendo Switch. So that shouldn't have been in there, it should have been in the sitting room. The umbrellas will never end. Yeah, when I need an umbrella, I can't find an umbrella. Why? Why? So the umbrella has been located to where all they are on the coat stand in the hallway. I've put them all there, so at least now I know where to find them. But yeah, there's loads of little bits. It's like I have a dustpan and brush, and I had as you can see, the blue kind of brush there in my old house, because my old house had wood floors everywhere. So obviously that's cleaned very differently than a bedroom with carpet. So I'm just kind of going through this and adding it into the general stock of the house, like the rubbish bags and dusters and that dusting cloth and stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing here. Challenging myself and letting this go. It's Hogwarts. I want to keep it, but it's a plastic bag and I have too many plastic bags. So I'm gonna let it go. He heard how much you were missing him and he wanted to come and say hello. Hello, public. Now, because let's get real, guys. I know you're only here to see him. Maxie, say hello. Oh yes, say hello. Say hello. Mwah. We're under exceptional supervision, guys. Exceptional supervision. Now, Papa. So as I already mentioned, I'm gathering up all the bits from here. There's the mop socks, the mop slippers you see there, the dustpan, dusters, bags, and put them away where they're supposed to be. So in future when I need them, I know exactly where they are. Because that is actually one of the reasons why I haven't used those mop socks, or the mop slippers, because I didn't know where they are. But they basically stop you getting any footprints or scuff marks or marks or anything like that on the floor after you mop. And obviously they're clean, so you know, you're not leaving dirty shoe prints all over the place. And I'm just gathering up stuff for a project in the box now for an upcoming video. And kind of any last few bits that I need to find a home for, I've put in there for the moment, because I also want to take off this tablecloth and get it washed to kind of finish off the cleaning of the dining room. So this box here is for a project coming up. Or it's stuff that I need to put away, some that's upstairs, but I'm going to take it out of here for now. Or no, I'm going to take it off the table for now. I'm going to leave it down there because I'm going to be working on the project in the next few days. So I'll leave it over there, and then when I finish that, I can fold this box down and put it away. But yeah, so that's where we're at so far. And I'm going to keep going, and I need to get all the bags, because most of the stuff here, apart from this, which is general waste and there's recyclings on the floor here, these are just reusable bags that will be reused, so I just need to wrangle them all into one pile. So this part pretty much shows the kind of chaos of the cleaning and organisation kind of project that we're working on. And also, you'll see all the bags kind of here that we've emptied or gone through or whatever, or stuff that we've missed. But it also, I think this segment of the video really gives a good representation of simple things as like tidying up. Like I've literally picked up a couple of shopping bags, put them into a bit of an organisational setup, and already this place looks 55 times better in like literally, I know obviously it's a couple of seconds on screen, but like that probably only took me 1 or 2 minutes to just pick all those bags up and put them together in a stack. And like I've said in previous videos, gather all your fabrics and all that kind of stuff together, because it makes such a big difference. And any bags or anything you have that are reusable, tidy them up first and you'll see a huge difference straight away. Okay guys, so here is the recycling bag. It's a large IKEA bag. That's all going to recycling. And then the boots are for the bin. I can't recycle them, they're very badly damaged, so the soles and everything have split on them, so they're no use. The top 2 boxes, all this is for recycling as well. And then this bag here is just normal rubbish. It's only a little small bag for the general bin. But yeah, so what I'm going to do now is quickly give a fly around with this brush, just to get the heavy dust off. That's pretty much all that rubbish taken out. I'm going to clear that out now, out to the garage to go to the recycling centre. And then I'm just going to whiz around. Oh, I'm going to bring this as well to the recycling centre and see if the guys there want to use it, because they do use high vis and hard hats, so either that or we can throw it into the recycling, as it is plastic. So I'm just going to do a quick whiz around with this this mop just to get it's a duster. Oh, and there's another bag here. So just quickly update, that's for clothing recycling. And that's also for, I have to find out what to do, that's the CD cases. So I'll see if clothing recycling will take them, because they are made of fabric, so they might. Yeah, that's everything else is either going into recycling or refuse. So just with this, get the heavy dust off the floor just so I'm not kicking up so much just when I'm walking around. I will of course do the floor properly when all the units are dusted, but I think we've made really good progress for right now. So I'm gonna get to mapping. So this bit here is where the dusting was supposed to be, but I literally got about 5 or 10 seconds in. That's how much footage I have, and the card in my camera's full, which I didn't realise. So I was there dusting away, having a wonderful time, and none of it picked up on the camera. So anyway, I did cop it. I managed to swap cards out, and that's why I have the cleaning of the floor here. And I really did give it a good run, and I was actually impressed by how little dust was actually on the floor. I thought to be way more. And you can see here as well me using the mop just to clean up the bottom of the units and stuff like that, because they don't get cleaned very often. As I said, the dining room doesn't get used very often, so it doesn't get cleaned very often. But yeah, we're kind of coming towards the end of the video now, so I'm going to let you guys listen to a couple of tunes while I do the last few bits of wrapping up cleaning this dining room. And
So let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Do you hear that sound? Can you feel the music? Let's get wild. We're magic, you and I. They call us reckless, but we don't mind. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Yeah, we got the summer forever. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. It might be over tomorrow, but this day will live on forever. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever.
that is the end of today's video, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope you picked up some hints and tips and hopefully some cleaning motivation along the way. Unfortunately, the video didn't record my dusting. It recorded for about 10 seconds and the camera stopped, and I didn't know because I don't have like a light on my camera. But anyway, I'm really sorry about that, guys. But you guys have seen me dusting. If you want some dusting motivation, check out the previous videos. I will, as always, have them linked in the description box down below for the rest of the series. I did the dining room, I did the living room, I did the bedrooms. You guys know, you guys have seen me dust before. Anyway, if you haven't already, please give the video a thumbs up, hit the like button if you enjoyed it, and hit the subscribe button down below if you enjoy seeing the content on my video. If you ring the bell set to all, you'll be notified every time a video goes live on my channel. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your Friday. I hope you have a fantastic weekend and a great week coming up. And I will talk to y'all soon. Okay, love y'all. Bye.